My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new ransomware, which is called Cheaplaminate. Cheaplaminate is the ransomware that attacks many Windows computers right now. Cheaplaminate ransomware affects pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other documents. So you can now clearly see that there are no troubles opening the files before the ransomware attack. But regretfully, because of some existing leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Cheaplaminate ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the system. And then pretty soon people would realize that they cannot use their data anymore. The data gets damaged and encrypted. So this is what happens. The ransomware changes the desktop background, and also when you try to open this specific file, you get this message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with this Cheaplaminate extension added. But removing the extension manually does not fix the issue and does not restore the data. The ransomware drops this ransom note on the computer screen, mentioning that all these files have been damaged and encrypted, and that people need to pay the ransom to get their files recovered. However, paying the ransom is not a good solution. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money, so don't pay it. What we recommend you to do is to immediately remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware tool, which you may get on this page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your system. Click on Start Scan button. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. After you download the program for the first time, it should first of all update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. While the scanning is taking place, please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner, which is called anti-ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or even several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the information about the threats which were revealed on your computer. You will be able to know the information about what kinds of threats were found, how threatening they are, how destructive they are. Also, you will be able to know the information about locations of threats. I recommend that you research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus and upgrade to the premium license to make sure that your data is always protected in the future.